Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix screen share audio on Discord Mobile Android. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. So first, open up your Discord app. Once you're here, tap on Profile on the bottom right. From here, you need to scroll down to the bottom. You'll get to see an option that says Voice. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you'll get to see Input Mode on the top. Tap on it. Make sure it is set as voice activity and not push to talk. And after that, close your Discord app. Now go and open your Play Store. From here, tap on the search bar and search for Discord. Now open the Discord app. Here, as you can see, I have the option to update, so I'll tap on that. Make sure that your app is up to date. If not, then update your Discord. So just wait till your update is downloaded. And once your Discord is up to date, your problem should be fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, open your phone settings. From here, scroll down and go to Apps. After that, go to App Management. Here, tap on the search bar and search for Discord. Open Discord and go to its storage usage. From here, you need to tap on Clear Data and then tap on OK to confirm. And once it's done, you need to go back and go to Permissions. From here, make sure all the permissions are allowed. So tap on Storage. From here, make sure to allow access to media only. After that, go to Microphone and do the same. Next, open Camera and allow access as well. Then do the same for contacts. And now your issue should be fixed.